Plugs into car harness. Power 4-speaker. 2 8-pin connectors. Excellent flexibility, power handling, and higher heat resistance. 7 in length. For 1984 plus Chrysler models. Top reviews from the United States. Exact fit for my 96 Dodge Ram 2500. Used to install an aftermarket 1-DIN stereo into my 96 Dodge Ram 2500. I choose to solder and heat shrink the wires of this adapter harness to the aftermarket stereo harness. I especially liked the color coding diagram that was printed onto the outside of the plastic bag. I would definitely purchase this again if I have a similar need.